Hey, my name is Kalam. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to exactly create AI animation, AI image, AI art using free method. If you are highly interested to learn about AI images, AI art, please keep watch full video. Don't skip any second because every second are very important. So at first, I'm going to Lexica.art. This is AI tool. There are lots of millions of free AI image or art. Example of this one, example of this one. To type of all image, you download just one click. It's absolutely free. You don't need login. You don't need put your Gmail here. If you download those type of images. So example of I download this image. Just click here for download. You can see this is the download link. But when you click these images, this website suggests you four images similar to this photo. Example of this one. This is a different from first photo. This is a different from first second photo, and this is a different from all others photo. So I'm going to another one. This one. So you can see here are the lots of photo you can download. You don't need login. Example of this is Elon Musk. So this is really beautiful. So I downloaded this one. So if you want to generate your own photo, and you can type anything here. Example of I type Vladimir Putin here in just 1 or 2 seconds. Wow, this tool is suggesting me those type of tons of photo Vladimir Putin. It's similar to this president. Wow, beautiful. This is really nice and cool. So if I want to download this photo, just click this one here, download.